This is Vicki David from the Windows Club. If you encounter error 0x8007054e when adding an account to the Mail or Calendar app, then please watch this video for the solutions. The first solution is to restart the computer. Right-click on the Start button, select Shut Down or Sign Out. Click on Restart. The second solution is to delete or rename the comms folder in the local disk C drive. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the Run window. In the Run window, type the command C:/users/your username /appdata/local/comms, where your username is the username of your computer. Hit Enter to open the comms folder. Shift to the local folder. Right-click on the comms folder and select Delete. The third solution is to reinstall the Mail and Calendar app using PowerShell. The procedure is as follows. Search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator in the right pane to open the elevated PowerShell window. Scroll down to solution number 3 of the original article. Right-click on the command line mentioned there and select Copy. Paste this command in the elevated PowerShell window and hit Enter. The last solution is to perform an SFC scan. Search for Command Prompt in the Windows search bar and select Run as Administrator in the right pane to open the elevated Command Prompt window. In the elevated Command Prompt window, type the command SFC /SCANNOW and hit Enter to invoke the SFC scan. Reboot the system once the scan has been completed. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club and write your query. We will surely answer it. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.